Microsoft Teams Communication Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to the product are in the description. Let's get right into it. Microsoft Teams has cemented itself as a go-to tool for modern workplace communication, combining a robust set of features tailored to both small businesses and large enterprises. It's a cloud-based collaboration platform that merges chat functions, video conferencing, file storage, and app integration under one digital roof. This isn't just a basic chat app. Teams is designed for seamless interaction within distributed teams, enabling real-time conversations, file sharing, and project management. For those managing remote work, Teams' built-in video call functionality is essential, supporting HD video, screen sharing, and integrated calendar scheduling, all in sync with Microsoft Outlook. One standout feature is the ability to create different teams and channels, which lets users separate discussions based on projects, departments, or interests, making communication more organized and targeted. The app's deep integration with other Microsoft 365 tools such as Word, Excel, and SharePoint ensures a unified workflow that saves time and boosts productivity. Who is it for? Microsoft Teams is ideal for businesses, educators, project managers, and anyone looking for a comprehensive digital space to coordinate tasks, meetings, and communication without bouncing between multiple apps. While it excels at team collaboration, there's a learning curve for those new to the Microsoft ecosystem. The platform can sometimes feel feature-heavy, leading to potential overwhelm for users seeking simplicity. In terms of limitations, while Teams is powerful, it can occasionally lag when managing large video calls or when used alongside other resource-intensive programs. Additionally, users might find the permission structure and settings complex to manage, especially in larger organizations. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich platform for professional collaboration, Microsoft Teams is a solid choice. But don't go in expecting an instant solution. Understanding its capabilities fully will make a big difference. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share it to help others make informed decisions. Thanks for watching.